I used to have really bad indented acne scars. This serum has so many anti-aging properties, so it'll really help you with that puffiness underneath your eyes. It helps with redness, blemishes. That's been really helping me out because I feel like I've been looking so tired like every single day. Hey guys, it's Annie, Creative.Cliche. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I treat my skin using a Derma Roller. It's also considered microneedling if you've heard that term before. But all the products that I'm going to be using today are by Bearcat. So if you want to hear a little bit about the brand and how I use their products, then keep watching. First things first, let me show you guys the Derma Roller. So this is it in the casing here. So this is how the Derma Roller is stored. So when you're finished, you put it back in that casing. But this is the Derma Roller itself. For this video, I'm going to be using a 0.25mm Derma Roller. There are different sizing, so you can either go bigger or smaller, just depending on your skincare needs. 0.25mm just describes the needle size. So like I showed you before, let me see if I can get up close enough to show you. That's just the size of the needles on here. So now that we got that out of the way, we're gonna get started. So before you start derma rolling your face, you wanna exfoliate. It is optional, but it really helps with just getting all the dead skin cells off so that you can start fresh. I already did that before the video, so I'm just gonna jump right in. When derma rolling your skin, you wanna focus on a few main areas. So your forehead, your cheeks, your lip, your chin, and your neck. You wanna gently glide your derma roller up and down, side to side, across each section of your face. So you want to do it about 2 to 3 times in each area. Up and down, up and down, up and down, across your whole forehead, and then go back over it and go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This just ensures that you don't skip any areas that can be stimulated. Derma rolling is really great to treat scars, large pores, wrinkles. If you guys don't know, derma rolling actually stimulates your skin and regenerates new collagen. If you look at both sides of my face down here towards like my chin area, I used to have really bad indented acne scars. So I used to have to use a 2mm microneedle. Now I've gone down to just this guy here because I just need more like surface level, but it really gets in there and breaks up that scar tissue. And like I said, it regenerates the collagen. Make sure that you're just gently gliding this across your skin. You don't need to apply crazy amounts of pressure when you're doing this. When it comes to derma rolling, you could do this every day, but if you have sensitive skin, I would just do about 2 to 3 times per week. This really helps to even out skin texture, and also, like I was saying, pores. So I have really large pores on my nose here, so I always make sure that I get this guy really good. The more consistent you are, the faster you'll see results. So you'll notice that your skin will be firmer, it'll be smoother, and you'll also see more even skin tone. After you're finished, your face might feel a little bit warm and tight, also kind of a little bit tingly. That should go away in about 2 to 3 hours. It might take a little bit longer just depending on your skin sensitivity. Also, stop use if hypersensitivity occurs. And finally, let's move on to the serum. So this is the Bearcat Vitalize and Repair Daily Facial Serum. This one is the Gold Edition. So this is 350 milligrams of CBD extract. They also have one that is 200 milligrams and also one that's 1,000. So it really just depends on your skincare needs. But this is great to use after the Derma Roller and also in the morning before you apply your makeup. It's perfect. Literally, your makeup is so smooth throughout the day. And also before you go to bed. You don't need to use a whole lot of this, so just 3 drops will do. I'm just gonna do one on my forehead and both cheeks. So you can either massage this or gently pat it into your skin. This serum is just amazing. It has so much anti-inflammatory properties, so it'll really help you with that puffiness underneath your eyes. It helps with redness, blemishes, and it's chopped full of vitamins and fatty acids, so it's really gonna leave your skin moisturized and firmed. That's been really helping me out because I feel like I've been looking so tired like every single day, so this really helps kick that. So you want to make sure that you hit your eyes, and also once you finish your face, just go down your neck. I also just love how natural this serum is. You can read all the ingredients on here, there's nothing sketchy. So it's just 300 milligrams of CBD oil, coconut oil, apricot oil, aloe vera, sunflower seed oil, and lavender essential oil. You guys definitely need to give this a shot if you haven't already. I do have a code for you guys, it'll give you 20% off, so just use Cliche20. I hope that you guys liked this video. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments down below. Give it a like, that really helps me out. Definitely check out Bearcat as well. I'm telling you guys, Their products are incredible. I can't believe I'm just finding out about them. I'm telling you guys, it's so worth it. Like, look at my skin, it's freaking glowing. They also have CBD bath bombs, which I think is really cool. I've never even heard of that, but I've heard really good reviews on them, so. And I love you guys. I'll see you on the next one.